too much age or the form yaba a crazy capan and so minimum edi a shea see in Kunya see then I just say and some of the edi say a can and a day ever sumona and not damn the sea should do me dear echo so Emma one of book in the Agyapong and in same be ever to a year upon so now then some no and they watch a year no ma a year NDC for them come one rush be your fee. One more a year editi and I say she ya. One more dear go aquam a pray say a yomoja a beshia go na a who ensensem and a net the year baba a diabeto upno so now so woofy wait me at your waging a day afar a na said the midi kind a kind, you know, a young one in the Agyapong and a day jumedino a buy ya just no ye penya or nona or tenacia or in the host a yakwana one would jumedino as she shares on a no and what day a year no maybe and I say no ma a year dum kuma one machine with your fimiche NDC for one much share a dear guaquem some one more shares some moja a beshiagu or may emu. Ne a true sama so enyina eye wo mu nyina wo mo enhyehyeye enoma wo mo hwe sani nyina ebeba so na ne nyina wodi atu edwa ede ema na busuafo mo mayenko ne nkonkoti ne nsem a wo kan ye no ye ba ye beto a ensem no eso.
On the 27th of May 2020 NDC for COVID wo call ye apobi ko boye Enra, I heard the woman, MPP National Woman Organizer, talking. I heard that this morning as well. On 27th of May, 2020, NDC Focal meeting. They should organize grassroots to disrupt the upcoming registration. And the words are, it has to be bloody. Wow. It has to be bloody. 27th May, meeting choir. First, almost say they should organize their grassroots to disrupt the upcoming registration, and it should be bloody.
Is the upcoming election and yet to trust them with the same infra?
Yes.
Wow.
Now, Utie and Sensea Ubi Fi say and Yanokre. But when running the 6 o'clock news, NMTA, MPP National Woman Organizer, are call North, so go share MP, NDC, General Secretary, whatever, and then call for coaching the Northerners not to go and register, but to disrupt the election. Say, also opposition. Now, Ubedia Bruseya. Only part one registered on Twabani.
You don't get the numbers.
Muta, you better register. They challenge you, time. The register will come on. At the MPP for I am my NTNE. Konipa and Yaman Bienu. With confirmation, the 6. Emutu. Abem already.
All right.
A disruption of the a woman organized a koto so a war. North Honor, nature said they've meant to do it. Wow. Any means necessary, they're going to do it. 2, almost say they have some regional district electoral offices. Our contract to only to destroy the machines to slow down the registration process. In the moment now, anytime be a mobile center or somewhere, yes, machine say be also in the strongholds of MPP, Ashanti region, Eastern region, Bonahafo region, and some part of Greater Accra, say MPP be willing. That is what they are going to do.
Targeting some strongholds.
Yes, to slow down the machines.
Okay.
To extend, say, they're going to use acid. Yeah.
They shut the power shit.
Yes.
Government
machines, they're going to
create their soul.
They have contracted 4 key EC people. $200,000. $200,000. They have electoral officers and electoral commission workers a sabotage Tina Mensa, Jane Mensa. Now every information they get on the demonstration ebe dede until see ebe Jane Mensa no free home. Na uhwa ya yebebo osofu bi eyi na boti
Osu ejeyi
right
whatever.
Na 35 minutes no there. It was all about Agyapong.
Meeting him.
Yeah. All about it. Minim possess be important in Ghana politics. The whole opposition party. Media be ready to kill me anytime. I am prepared to die for the truth and country. For the truth and country, I am prepared to die. And this will not deter me from doing the right thing for Ghana. I will continue to do it. Let them try. This spin test, and everywhere, meeting the NDC for Bekobia. There's some free Beko voter region. I'm monitoring you.
Some education,
I'm monitoring them. I know how I get the information. What do you say? Me out. I have to be careful. Oh, that be that. In slow, they are all born of women. They are not born of men. It did nothing will scare me from doing the right thing for my country. Indeed, all my planning, yeah, the car, me, or mobile route, and they know I'll be there. They'll use that to kill me. A whole lot of things. Almost say, almost the prisoners. They'll get prisoners to frame or implicate me in a lot of things.
I see.
And also, Osha Ghana or war prison one. Oh yes, sir, recordings here. Was our court? Akoka say, maybe nim hurry.
Sir, a yabenti Daniel.
One kasa born pass 1 year. Now,
Abusiafo we ene eye ensema wonobo Canada Japan wodi etu edwa efa edom kuma wo ma shebeje fie meche de NDC opposition party no wo mo epa wo mo bom ede afa eye de voters ID as so mo pese wo mo ye new registration ne ho nkoneba no epa wo mo bo ede afa wo se de wo mo mpene e ma sa registration no enkoso na ebiem nso no wo ma ye o madwen se wo mo twi wo mo mutan a wo be ma modia ahwie agu emfa ho ne de wo be ye bia no eno ho ensem na wodi etutu edwa ene enioma wo mo asi wo madwen pi se wo mo be ye edi etia no nanso no de wa hye ni sapo mu nso woni se yeden ya wono de wo mo be hwe se wo mo be kun nanso so no ohuni se wo wu bia edan wo se wo wu ede amane man ya nanso wo wu ede age ye mo wo man no mu nkwade a wo be ye no wo wie ye no ene wo kan ensem bi efa eye wachijan wono susu ne nsem anase kokobo a wo ede ma no no susu wodi etu dwa na busiafo mo man konkotie eho enso
wie no kofa abuachijan buachijan pese buachijan ete no ho ase se Ghana is not for him no kura why say kontomri wa go why mre uchi na enye but he wants to make himself relevant. Wajija mpeza cultural street. Oye cool no. Den na fe de wo exile. Wo exile no so. Den na JH Mensa, honorable JH Mensa, any General Hamidu. Esaki wo free. Omukua no wati. Wajija has always been an informant and never to be trusted. That is why Rollins did not use him.
Yeah.
Now, what happened to you and your family? You have no shame. even to join NDC. Now, who say MPP for the Yeniati until you can say Uguma and support him for most scheme. He wants to join NDC to talk trash. What's a Ghana Beshi? Try it and see. Sir, informant now who you sue African Review. Buachijan never see the interest of any black man except what he can get.
And that is more or less like an espionage.
Yeah, he is. He is. He is. He spied on South African blacks. The African Review.
Yeah.
Who Buachijan? Upa there. Now be information. Do you know a lady called Melly? What did you do to Melly? You were used by British intelligence against black South Africans. So why you did watching that? Why you did as useless as you are? You sit there and still command. We are chicken. Upa try. Upa try. Yanyam kwasiaphobia Benjamin Bell 1979 akoye ku. Ufi so etofo. You are marking on Asian platitudes. You think near 30 years ago as a cell, you can bring that nonsense again in the
AFRC.
Who? Emra, judgments are no, ni free home come near what the top poison that is how they recruited him. And in no time, he had a house. You use your brother Chiremejem as the administrator. What happened to him when he came to Ghana? What happened to him? We few home. We are more exposed to be. When you read Dr. Ellis, the book written about South Africa, your name is there. Wachija, your name is there. Challenge me. And I'll bring it for people to see.
For way and a yen someone will can't ye a day a fire, yen your bear ma a ye Wachijan, a home, Nana Ghana for binum etna sitting almost say ah. When a book in the Agyapong, also real informations who will be brave and so will change any panel, one rabontain, count. And I dare me, and I dare me, and I dare me. The beer will be there once and I didn't find information about it. Just will be a can once a month and other banana chest. Why you watching so person will boil my gun on the same and I will boil no SCF. Walk us and will be warm our mind and a woman I will come home asking because or being there will not say any panel, or dip on it, or yen your man any, or yet dear any quite say or nipana timoni bayan woman. Nothing in I know become or not to I train any panel baba betia when I saw and sana. Why then what casa de anaches a one casano boy was a boy mine on the crown oh one saying like saying I was a boy man won't say what mine woman as a one because every time any pan by your door bay area was say be in a fate and I will buy a wide and so will be kind at once and we do sometimes so not be beer as a area and yet they say bit me at the ayashri and to say why and I just will to the west home at the aboa my Ghana ama in pa akoso ama woman with the bonnet no woman summer bab on Tindia and a one share now one yen of clothing now one jai damn me no now one fire a yen no crano and to a jana a biemo and so no. Ebinum so edit to just say adentina dane da eye wona bo Kennedy Japan bebetina akunya so ye NDC for donkume wo ma hye be fie wo mo nko a na wonani esa wo mo na wo ma yesei na wo ma yesei na wo ma yesei enti wa pache se eye ne MPP nkrofo no boni a wo ka edifa NDC for ho se wo mo se ani na moja be hwie go no enti wo mo enye biana adentina dane da wota eye NDC for so esan se woni wo mo ekuo no manase woni sa eye opposition hono enunti na ema ni disa so wo yesa pan dia na wo ye partial because ene manfo anase ono ane nkrofo ne party di boni na wo be kata so na se party fufu di boni na wo no do de baba betina eye pinsie so na wa bobo ho aka edegu wa mani mu asema ye hunu se sa amanyo ko we de omo nya na se omo de tutrasem eye wo mo de dia ene wo yesa wanye ade we ene eye ensem no ebia Ghana for binum ede ebaye won so wo fie efa eye revelation na say nyoma honorable Kennedy Agyapong where ye edache Ghana for efa NDC for mutiribu po awomu wo efa new voters ID any EC elections ne ho kwane bana ebeba no sen na won so wodwen efa eho for wadwen tre no ebra e wo too much GH comment section ebiom so chef from abusuafo all the social media platform na adwen tre bia won fatu eja na mrepam no making kind ede am follow your IG page so at too much GH_ media any ecret padasane yebesane share.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame yenu nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na